you ever heard of a slaughter? I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up on one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. Salam alaikum. My name is Dr. Ross, and this is my co-host, IK.
International King, here. But Dr. Ross and I would like to say that we have the roseandgold.us She's Hot trophy back in stock.
That's right. Let's get into our She's Hot winner for this week, IK.
And Dr. Ross and I want to say that this is a 100% pure gold and custom trophy.
Sponsored by Playboy International.
Playboy. Let's get into our She's Hot contest for today, and our winner is none other than Gal Gadot. Gal Gadot, congratulations on your win for the She's Hot contest.
Congratulations. You were looking hot on the W magazine recently with the drenched look, and you look good.
And that is actually going to be our next hot topic. But Gal Gadot, congratulations on your win for the She's Hot contest.
Congratulations.
And keep on being spectacular and wonderful. Be the Wonder Woman that you are.
That's right.
Let's get into our hot topic with Gal Gadot on how she wows in a sequined and lace-trimmed mini dress with the tallest heels for W magazine.
As always, Gal Gadot is stunning, and she's setting marks out here, and that's why she's our She's Hot winner for today, this week.
Gal Gadot is making the bar higher and higher.
That's right.
Let's move into our next hot topic with Megan Fox guessing a 90s grungy in a plaid cardigan, crop top, baggy pants, and white sneakers.
Megan Fox is always going to look good, and that's the only thing I'm going to say, IK. The only thing is, Machine Gun Kelly really brings your looks down respectfully.
And Dr. Ross, Megan Fox, she's working it. She's pulling off the style right here. Let's move into our next hot topic with Brian Austin Green reacts to MGK wearing his ex-wife's Megan Fox blood around his neck.
We all know that's a hoax and it's fake. They went to, exactly, it's a thumbs down. They went to the Party City and got themselves one of those necklaces with the fake blood in it. Just like how, respectfully, because we respect Angelina Jolie, but just like how Angelina Jolie and Billy Bob Thornton did way back when they were dating. Let's get to our next hot topic.
Our next hot topic is with Salma Hayek. She stuns in a makeup-free photo for a selfie Sunday.
When is Salma Hayek not stunning? And speaking of Salma Hayek, we're really excited for your new TV show / movie coming out with Owen Wilson, which that's going to be really exciting because we haven't seen him in any movies or shows recently. But IK and I are always available to work. We're hungry and we're ready. We're here. We don't know what we're doing tomorrow, but we're here and we're ready. Owen Wilson.
And stay tuned on Rose and Gold because Dr. Ross and I will be giving an in-depth review on the film. Let's move into our next hot topic with
when it comes out.
Exactly. With Cardi B says plastic surgery has made her feel super confident.
Obviously, it's gonna make you feel super confident when you get a little bit of work done. You're in Los Angeles, California, the exact place where everyone gets the plastic surgery done, where the money. When you have money around you, everyone around you is going to be saying nothing but that you look good. And look at Jay-Z.
Exactly.
That's an example.
Cardi B, put us in your next music video. We'd like to do business with you.
Exactly.
And we'll put some of the Jamaican shampoo in some of your baby's hair. Put some in Offset too. Make him look like the Upset. Let's move into our next hot topic with Travis Barker's ex, Shauna Mokler, takes another swipe at the relationship with Kourtney Kardashian.
You know, the only thing I want to say about this is, again, it's a thumbs down, but I want to say no one knows who you are and no one really knows who Travis Barker is, but you shouldn't be worried about Kourtney because it's none of your concern. You need to move on.
And Dr. Ross, that's just a blowover topic.
Exactly.
Enough with that already. Let's move into our next hot topic with Travis Scott says daughter Stormy Webster looks just like her mom Kylie Jenner in photos for her ID. Travis, stop with the babies for once. Just stop. Let's move into before we move into our next hot topic, Travis, we know that you're not with Kylie, and the king is still available.
He keeps trying to mention the Stormy to think that Kylie will get her attention somehow and bring her back to the house, but no, there's a reason she's been kicking rocks at you, Travis. And
Kylie was our winner for the She's Hot contest, along with the entire Kardashian clan.
Exactly.
We want to congratulate on you winning too. Let's move into our next hot topic with Kanye West is seen for the first time since the Kim Kardashian divorce.
Yes, I saw this. He looked like he was homeless out in the weeds, walking around some gates with a bag and a full blue outfit, Kanye, just hand over your entire clothing line to us. Just do it, because the clothing line, and respectfully, our rose and gold clothing line is better. We could add some touch to it, Kanye.
Dr. Ross, we didn't even need his clothing line. He needs to take all that down and put in the Jamaican products and the Jamaican clothing line.
Well, I mean, just give us his part in being in a part of the Rose and Gold Company.
But Dr. Ross,
not the clothes itself.
With his shoes and his Yeezy brand, all he did was took from some things that were popular at the time. Exactly. Let's move into our next hot topic with the Rolls Royce. Dr. Ross and I are seeing the new Rolls Royce right here, and this looks tons. I just have to bring this up, but it looks a lot better than Justin Bieber's brand new Rolls Royce, or the one that he modified.
You know, Justin Bieber, after he modified his car, it really degraded it, and it's brought it down to now a plastic toy. When he brings it back to the dealership to sell it back, they're not going to know what kind of car it is. That's why, speaking of, when he was riding his little motorcycle, he had to sell that thing because people were saying he just didn't look good on it, so now he has an electric scooter bike.
Dr. Ross, he should have just went and bought the living Mercedes-Benz that they're talking about now. Buy the prototype.
Take them back to the club. Think about it, but I stand online. I just wanted to dance. I went to take them back.
With Rebel Wilson shows off her incredible weight loss in a leather catsuit. Rebel Wilson, no.
Rebel Wilson has been showing off her body more and more after she dumped her boyfriend and used him as a stepping stone to make it look more exciting. And you know, I'm not hating on Rebel Wilson, because look at Mama June. Mama June's not the most attractive lady out there, but she went from, you know, respectfully where she was, and she got better, and that's what you need to do. You need to improve and get better shape. So Rebel Wilson, keep being scandalous. She
went from not to hot. But Rebel Wilson, keep working on your figure a bit more. Exactly. Let's move into our next hot topic with 6ix9ine's baby mama fears that his beefs put their daughter in danger. And Dr. Ross, when they were saying this on TMZ, they actually blurred out the photo of the daughter. But 6ix9ine, haven't you found somewhere to settle down for now?
6ix9ine, grow up, because we can't waste our time on a topic about the My Little Ponies. Now let's go into our next hot topic.
Well said, Dr. Ross. Our next hot topic with Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson's Black Adam back and biceps workout.
Dwayne, you need to sit down. You need to go home and stop it. On to our next hot topic.
Dwayne, sit down and let Dr. Ross and I take over. We saw your show, The Young Rock. Still not as good as Chris Rock's show.
It wasn't funny.
Respectfully. Let's move into our next hot topic with Tyler Perry's The Oval is renewed for Season 3 by BET following Season 2 debut on New Night.
You know, Tyler Perry, we've been watching you lately, and you've been releasing a lot of shows, and IK and I are always ready, we're always available, and we will be in touch with you soon. So, we also saw your Tyler Perry Studios. We'll be in there soon. So let's get into our next hot topic.
Looks like Universal Studios to me, Dr. Ross. Let's move into our final hot topic with... we know that you guys might have heard this already, but Tiger Woods has gotten into an accident, a major accident. And he's now undergoing surgery, but they're saying that he's going to be fine. Or
so
allegedly.
Tiger Woods, we want to say stay safe and probably stop drinking, and a big tip is maybe get a driver. Get a driver instead of driving.
And Tiger Woods, I'm practicing on driving my car. I could be your driver. But Tiger, slow down and stop. Just right now, relax.
Let's go home! Let's go home, ladies and gentlemen! Let's go home! Let's go home! Let's go home!
And congratulations to Miss Gal Gadot, our She's Hot winner.
She's a vixen too, Dr. Ross.
Exactly.
And Kylie Jenner, $30,000 tapestry. It's based off of art of a king and a queen fighting. The European clock is over there. TikTok.
Playboy International. And we just want to say game recognizes game, Kylie Jenner, and you're looking kind of unfamiliar right now.
Here. I'm rich, bitch. We out.